Hey everyone! So today I'm going to bring you with me to Michael's. I have to go pick up Ari first, but I am super excited to show you all of the new stuff that they have added. And even though I am still a little bitter Betty about the fact that they've pushed out all the summer stuff, I'm actually a little bit excited because that means that a lot of summer stuff is going to go on sale soon, if not in grab bags, hopefully. I've been asking about grab bags and they say that they're going to have them soon. So I am going to show you all of the fall stuff that they've added, and yeah. Aria, where are we going?
To Michael's.
To Michael's?
Yeah.
You like Michael's?
Yeah.
Me too.
No, me too.
No, me too.
No, me too.
So the first thing to catch my attention is this beautiful light up lantern. Now this is filled up and it's $30, so I'm definitely going to wait for it to go on sale. And I love the kitchen decor that they have. This is $40. It's a really nice size, but I feel like it can be recreated. And this blessed sign is $26. I believe Target had something similar on a much smaller scale, so definitely look out for that. And this was $26 as well. I love coming here for craft inspiration, and this definitely was inspo for my enamel tub when they had the much larger one. I love all of the kitchen stuff that they have. It is so beautiful, like this giant bread bin. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but if it's part of your decor, why not? And they had more stuff like salt and pepper shakers and a little spoon rest. I believe this one is $14. So when it goes on sale, it was going to be quite affordable. This is my favorite find. This was 40 bucks, and all of these signs are so cute, but I feel like you can definitely recreate them for way cheaper than $16. The scales are amazing because they're the same size as the last ones, but they're 34 instead of 60, so they're going to be really cheap when they go on sale. And then the trays are $60. This was $24 and would look amazing with a cookbook, or if you're using your iPad, or just as regular decor. And then I am absolutely loving these little crates. I think they make excellent decor. I just don't know how much they are. This giant eat sign is, I believe, $26, and they have a bunch of other really beautiful signs. I'm kind of hoping that stuff like this ends up in grab bags because I know that they don't all go. Look at how beautiful these antique signs are, and the clocks. I didn't get the price on all of this because we'd be here all day, but I'm pretty sure that most people will buy this on sale. I really love the shutters. They are $36, so once they go on clearance, they're going to be amazing. And then here are some really cool galvanized letters that have been heavily distressed and rusted. These are really cool. I absolutely love this. And there goes more of the scales and that beautiful kind of like a china pattern and all sorts of wood goodies. I don't know if you can consider this farmhouse or more of a boho thing, but it is definitely beautiful. This is so cute. I know a lot of people have duped memo pads. This one is $100. Really pretty, but if you can dupe it, why not? And that sign next to it is also gorgeous. And here we go with more of the signs that they have. I can't wait to get my hands on the thrift store one. I think it's currently on sale now. And then, of course, the famous tobacco baskets. I think they are so pretty. And now moving into fall, we have the little red trucks, which if you haven't seen the video of the little blue one that I created, I'll leave that link below because it's going to come in so handy for Christmas, as well as this one. They have other ones, and then I just wanted to show you really quick some of the summer stuff that they have. All of this stuff is going to go really cheap and on sale, and they have beautiful pieces. Some of the stuff might still be their newer things that are just sprinkled in, but look how gorgeous. Now for fall floral, they have a bunch of really pretty garland and pumpkins. I was obsessed with these velvet pumpkins, but Dollar Tree does have mini velvet pumpkins, so be on the lookout for that if you don't have a very big place and don't want to use these huge pumpkins. But these are so pretty and come in so many colors. Look at the velvet. I had to do one quick go again so you can see the colors because it is really bright in here so you can't see everything, but these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Now for the decor, they have really traditional fall decor. This pumpkin was so unique and pretty, and it is actually really cheap. So I thought it was absolutely gorgeous and fits a lot of themes, not just farmhouse. So here's a quick overview of all of the stuff they have, and they have more of those lanterns and a bunch of different pumpkins. This A-line sign was so cool. It was 15 bucks, so it's actually not bad, and you can make it over. And these little pumpkins are adorable. Dollar Tree has something a little bit similar, but these are definitely cuter, and they're really not that bad in price. And then they have more realistic ceramic pumpkins and stuff like this, which is beautiful. Here's another quick overview, and you can definitely see some Dollar Tree dupes like those wood pumpkins to the left and that mason jar gather together sign. There's so many things you can make using dollar store stuff, but of course if you are not crafty, at least you know that it's all at Michael's, like these gorgeous pumpkins. Even though things are pretty pricey, because they put it out so early, it actually goes on sale before fall is even over, which is kind of a plus to all of this madness. So this sign was so beautiful. This is another one that I thought was absolutely gorgeous, and it's actually not too bad in price. I love the handle as a detail. This is 30 bucks and it will definitely be on sale. These little things are 12 and can definitely be used all year round. And look at these gorgeous glass pumpkins, and these definitely have been at Dollar Tree before. These are the stacked pumpkins that I was talking about in my haul. I bought the orange and white one at Dollar Tree and thought this would have been a great dupe. And look at this lovely decor. I didn't catch the price on all of this, but I did get the pillows, and pillows are 30, and you know for sure these are going to be in grab bags after fall is done. They do a lot of grab bags with pillows. This reminds me of the Dollar Tree ones, but I do like these a lot better. And here is a close-up at the gather signs that I was talking about earlier. This could easily be remade, and I'm pretty sure Dollar Tree has some of these on their website already, so be on the lookout for that as well.
Mommy joking.
Where are Michael's?
Teachers, shop all your favorites.
These were some more of my favorites. I love the print on them. They look very old school, and these are 9 bucks a piece. They had random decor sprinkled in different places. I think this could be recreated easily with Dollar Tree stuff. And here comes the beautiful floral. I absolutely love the colors this year. I love how realistic they are, even though Michael's always has amazing stuff. I didn't price out all the floral because the prices on floral changes so frequently at Michael's, but I just wanted to show you all of the options that they have. Everything looks so pretty. They even have some Halloween stuff out, some scarecrows and some little ghosts. And the coolest thing were these faux wood pumpkins. I think they are so cool. Not exactly my decor style, but they are still really cool. So that's it for us. I really hope that you enjoyed this tour of Michael's, and as usual, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with us. Until next time.
Bye.
See you later.
Here you are.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Uncle Michael.
You want to go to Michael's? We just came from Michael's.